everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making tiramisu, and tiramisu is one of the most famous desserts in Italy. And this recipe is for 6 people. The first ingredient you will need is mascarpone cheese, which is 500 grams, then 4 eggs, then lady fingers, 300 grams, then coffee, very strong one, 300 grams, a bit of cocoa powder, and sugar, 50 grams. Remember, the eggs have to be fresh. Now you have to separate the yolk from the egg white, just like I have done here. And remember, there has to be no trace of yolk in the egg whites. Okay, now you have to get the sugar that you have and you have to put in spoonfuls, half of it inside the yolk. Now you have to start mixing until it becomes clear with the hand mixer. Now that the mixture has become clear, we have to keep on mixing with the hand mixer and put a big spoonful of mascarpone each time, but not all at once. This very well and it has become solid, I can get the mixture attachments and clean them very well. Now let's mix the egg whites. The leftover sugar, and you have to put it little by little while mixing. Many of you know when it is ready. Well, you can know if you put it upside down, it wouldn't fall out. Now you have to put the egg white with the yolk and you have to mix from the bottom to the top. Then you get the other egg white and you have to put it with the yolk. Again, going from the bottom to the top. And put a bit at a time. This is what you should do. Now get a big spoonful of cream and put it at the bottom of a baking tray and spread it. Now the coffee is cold, you can get one of the biscuits and you have to dip one of the sides for 2 seconds and the other side for 2 seconds. And then you can put it on the baking tray. Now that I've finished the layer, I can put another spoonful of it on top. done the first layer, you can get the other biscuits and you can put them again. 2 seconds, and then 2 seconds, and then put them again. Now that the second layer is done, we can put the remaining cream on top. And you put some more. Now I get the cocoa powder and I sprinkle it all over the tiramisu. Keep on sprinkling it. This is how it should look like when it is finished. Now you have to get the cling film and you have to put it on top of the tiramisu like this. And then you have to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and write down in the comments how it has come out. Thank you, bye!